Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Have you ever spent way too much money on skincare only to feel like you just rubbed disappointment all over your face? Yeah, same here. It's rough out there in the skincare world, but today we're about to change all that. All right? This right here, it's called the Mini Ritual from a Korean skincare brand called Riman. And it's basically like a fresh start for your skin. Simple, powerful, no drama. Just real ingredients that actually do what they say they're gonna do. And guess what? We're doing a live demo today with my favorite human, my 59-year-old aunt. Because I don't know about you, but if I see one more 17-year-old modeling anti-aging cream, I'm going to throw a moisturizer at somebody. All right, step one, the Snow Enzyme Cleanser. This stuff is like a soft cloud that eats dirt and dead skin, but without leaving your face feeling like the Sahara Desert. Now the Boost step. That's what we call it. Spritz on the Dermatology Booster EX. Think of it like your skin's wake up queen moment. Now go in with the Dermatology Serum EX, aka Liquid Hope in a bottle. It's lightweight, it's hydrating, and it's helping with the real stuff. Fine lines, texture, dark spots, basically all the receipts life has given our faces. After the serum, another quick spritz of the Booster EX, because hydration is not a one-time event, y'all. Your skin deserves a double shot. Okay, and finally, seal the deal with the Active Cream EX. This stuff is rich, but it melts like a dream. No sticky, greasy, I'm about to fry an egg on my face feeling. Just soft, happy, glowy skin. Guys, look at her. Look at that glow. No fillers, no fancy lights, just real skin looking real good. Now, if you're tired of playing skincare roulette, if you're tired of wasting money and hoping for a miracle, stop. Stop right now. Stop what you're doing. Stop buying nonsense out there. You just found it right here with Riman, okay? Riman is the real deal. I'm telling you, after trying so many things that didn't deliver, this feels like finally coming home. So grab your mini ritual and give your skin the love it's been begging for. You deserve to feel good about your skin. And hey, if my 59-year-old aunt can glow like this after one go, imagine what your skin's about to do. Also, make sure to subscribe because we're going to dive in deeper into more Riman products in the next videos. Bigger rituals, bigger glow-ups. It's going to be fun. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Go get your mini ritual, like I said. We'll see you soon, okay? Take care. Goodbye.